welcome. Today I want to show you an open source authoring tool that you can use for your work or maybe for your portfolio, whatever. Maybe you want to create your portfolio, but you don't want to buy any paid tools, or maybe you are working for a non-profit organization and maybe there can be a problem with the budget. So if that's the case, you can use OpeneLearning. To be able to use it, we need to download it. We can download it on Mac, on Windows, or for Linux as well. So we are going to use Mac, and then it is downloading. So if you're using Mac, when you do it, it will download it. So when you click it twice, it will open the page, and there are several languages, but I will pick English. And there are some templates that I want to show you. For example, when you click templates, you will see some pre-made templates. On the other hand, there are some quizzes template, but for example, if you want to create a learning path, you can use this one. So when you want to publish it, this is like PowerPoint, right? And it is kind of easy to follow up, and you can decide the mode, media, page style, backgrounds, options, and so on. Feel free to discover them. And when you want to publish it, you can publish as a SCORM or local HTML, and I think it will be very useful for many people who can't afford a learning tool, or anyone that don't want to afford any tool, let's say. I hope you find it useful, and thank you so much for watching that.